Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to give you a quick comparison between the Xiaomi Air Purifier 3 with the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite, and what are the main differences between these two regards the filtration, things like that. So the filter type you're gonna have better for the 4 Lite here. Then the clean air delivery rate is better for 3. The effective coverage is better for 3 but not much. Noise level is 32 in sleep mode. That's better for 3 but not much. Again, the difference. The smart features are similar. The display is better for 3. Then the power consumption is better for 4 Lite. Then also when you're gonna look here, the particle size filtration is for 3. Then you're gonna have weight, which is like similar, and then unique features you're gonna have like better for the Air 3, but it really depends. So just want to make the really quick comparison video. Is that also the one thing that I forgot to mention is that you have the H1N1 virus reduction for the 4 Lite. That's like also really huge in my opinion. So that's something that I wanted to know. And they are both really good. So just be aware this is like a quick video, and I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value. If it didn't, I'm sorry. You know I like to make these videos. So have a great day and goodbye.